Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Simple English, where we make English simple and enjoyable. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Kevin. Hello to all of our wonderful listeners wherever you are in the world right now.
We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, really, whether you're listening in the morning, afternoon, or late at night, thanks for spending time with us.
So, Kevin, I have to ask you something important.
That sounds serious. Should I be worried?
No, it's about February.
Ah, February. That explains the serious tone.
Exactly. Tell me honestly, do you like February?
I actually don't mind February.
You don't mind it? That's not a strong answer.
Okay, I like it.
Really?
Yes, why do you sound shocked?
Because February is usually the month people complain about. It's cold, it's gray, it feels long.
But it's the shortest month.
I know, that's the funny part. It's short, but it feels long.
That's true. Sometimes February feels like it never ends.
Exactly.
But I think February has a quiet charm.
Quiet charm? That sounds poetic.
Maybe I'm in a poetic mood today.
What is February?
Let's start simple for our listeners. February is the second month of the year,
It comes after January and before March.
and it's special because it's shorter than other months.
Yes, most months have 30 or 31 days. February usually has 28.
Usually.
Because every 4 years, we have something called a leap year.
Leap year is a very useful word in English. In a leap year, February has 29 days instead of 28.
So we add one extra day.
Exactly. You can say 2024 was a leap year.
Or in a leap year, February has 29 days.
Very natural sentence.
Imagine being born on February 29th.
You would only celebrate your real birthday every 4 years.
That would be interesting. Now let's talk about feelings.
Oh, yes, feelings are important.
For me, February feels heavy.
Heavy? What do you mean?
The sky is gray, the days are short, everything feels slow and quiet.
That sounds like the winter blues.
Yes, winter blues is such a good expression.
Winter blues means feeling a little sad or tired because of winter weather.
You might say, I have the winter blues.
Or you can say February gives me the winter blues,
A lot of people feel low in February.
especially when the weather is gloomy.
Gloomy means dark, gray, and a little depressing.
For example, it's gloomy outside today.
Or, I don't like gloomy weather.
That's very natural English.
There's another expression people use in February.
Cabin fever.
Yes, cabin fever means feeling restless because you've been inside too long.
When it's too cold to go outside.
You feel trapped indoors.
You might say, I have cabin fever. I need fresh air.
I definitely get cabin fever in February.
Really?
Yes, after months of winter, I just want sunshine.
Same here. Even I get tired of winter by February.
There's also something called the February slump.
A slump means a drop in energy or motivation.
You feel tired, you don't want to do much.
You might say, I'm in a slump.
Or, I feel unmotivated this month.
That happens after the excitement of January.
Yes, January feels fresh and new.
New year, new goals, big energy.
But by February, reality hits.
That's very true.
What's February like where you live?
It's very cold, sometimes below zero.
Below zero means freezing.
Yes, and we often get snow.
Do you still like snow in February?
At the beginning of winter, yes, but by February, I'm tired of it.
Finally, you admit it.
Just a little.
Where I live, it's chilly and rainy.
Chilly means cold, but not freezing.
Yes, you might say it's a bit chilly today.
Very useful phrase.
But there's something hopeful about late February.
The thaw.
A thaw is when snow and ice begin to melt.
Because the temperature rises slightly.
You might say there was a thaw this week.
And that means spring is coming.
Even a little sunshine in February feels special.
It feels hopeful.
And hopeful means full of hope.
See, February is not so bad.
Okay, maybe it's not completely terrible.
That's progress.
Don't celebrate yet. We still have more to discuss.
Oh, I'm ready. All right, we've talked about the weather and the feelings.
Yes, cold, gloomy, winter blues.
You really like those negative words.
I'm just being honest.
Okay, let's talk about something more positive.
Good idea. What do people actually do in February?
Well, many people stay inside more.
Yes, and there's a nice expression for that.
Cozy up.
I love that phrase.
To cozy up means to make yourself warm and comfortable.
Usually with a blanket.
And maybe a cup of tea.
Or hot chocolate.
Or coffee.
You might say, I'm going to cozy up on the couch and watch a movie.
Or, it's so cold outside, let's cozy up at home.
That sounds nice, actually.
See, February is cozy.
Because it's cold outside, February is a great time for indoor hobbies.
Like reading books.
Or learning something new.
Maybe cooking new recipes.
I always tell myself I'm going to try new recipes in February.
Do you actually do it?
Not always. I usually just order takeout.
That's honest.
What about you?
I like to organize things in February.
Really?
Yes, it feels like a good time to clean and reset.
Reset is a good word.
Reset means to start fresh again.
I like that. February as a reset month.
Exactly.
We can't talk about February without mentioning Valentine's Day.
February 14th.
The day of love.
Or the day of pressure.
Why pressure?
Because some people feel they must buy gifts or plan something special.
That's true. Restaurants are usually fully booked.
Fully booked means there are no more tables available.
What do you think about Valentine's Day?
I think it's sweet, but I don't think love should only be celebrated one day a year.
I agree, but it's still a nice tradition.
People give flowers, chocolates, cards.
And sometimes handwritten notes.
Those are the best.
Do you have any funny Valentine's Day memories?
Yes, one year I forgot it was Valentine's Day.
Oh no.
Yes, I realized at 7 p.m.
That's late.
Very late. I had to run to a store and buy the last box of chocolates.
That sounds stressful.
It was, but now I set a reminder on my phone every year.
Smart idea.
February is also special in different countries.
Yes, in the United States, February is Black History Month.
It's a time to learn about important Black leaders and history.
And sometimes Chinese New Year happens in February.
It depends on the lunar calendar.
That celebration is colorful and joyful.
So February isn't just gray and cold.
It also has culture and meaning.
Let's compare January and February.
January feels exciting.
New year, new goals, big energy.
People say, this is my year.
But by February, that energy often drops.
That's where the slump comes in.
Yes, motivation can fade.
Motivation means the desire to do something.
You might say, I lost my motivation in February.
But maybe that's normal.
Yes, it's okay to slow down sometimes.
February might be a month for rest.
I like that idea.
I want to share something personal.
Go ahead.
A few years ago, I really disliked February.
Why?
I felt tired and unmotivated.
The winter blues?
Exactly.
What helped you?
I stopped trying to fight February.
What do you mean?
I accepted it as a quiet month. I rested more, I read more.
And did it help?
Yes, I started to enjoy the calm.
That's beautiful.
What about you?
I learned to look for small good moments.
Like what?
A sunny morning, a warm drink, a good conversation.
Those small things matter.
They really do. So maybe February isn't about excitement.
Maybe it's about patience.
And quiet growth.
That sounds much better than worst month of the year.
I'm making progress.
All right, we've talked about the weather, feelings, traditions, and even Valentine's Day.
Yes, February is more interesting than I thought.
I knew you would change your mind.
Don't get too confident.
Okay. But I think February teaches us something important.
What does it teach us?
Patience.
Patience.
Yes, February's not exciting like summer. It's not fresh like January. It's calm and slow.
That's true.
And sometimes we need a slow month.
That's a good point.
Life can be busy, loud, fast.
And February forces us to slow down,
Exactly. It gives us time to think,
to rest.
to reflect.
Reflect means to think carefully about something.
Yes, you might say February is a good time to reflect on my goals.
I like that sentence. One thing I love about late February,
What?
the tiny signs that spring is coming.
Yes, the days get a little longer.
The sun stays out just a bit later,
Sometimes you see small flowers starting to grow.
or you hear birds in the morning again.
Those small changes feel hopeful,
Hopeful means full of hope,
and hope is important.
even in cold weather.
Maybe the problem is not February.
What do you mean?
Maybe the problem is our expectations.
Oh, interesting.
If we expect February to be exciting, we feel disappointed.
But if we expect it to be calm and quiet,
Then we might enjoy it.
that makes sense.
It's about perspective.
Perspective means the way you see something.
Yes, same month, different perspective.
Before we finish, let's quickly review some useful words from today.
Great idea.
Leap year, a year when February has 29 days.
Winter blues, feeling sad or tired during winter.
Gloomy, dark and gray weather.
Cabin fever, feeling restless from staying indoors too long.
Slump, a drop in energy or motivation.
Chilly, cold but not freezing.
Thaw, when ice and snow begin to melt.
Cozy up, to make yourself warm and comfortable.
Reflect, to think carefully about something.
Perspective, the way you see something.
Those are very useful words for winter conversations.
And not just for February.
Okay, Kevin, final question.
I'm ready.
If February were a person, how would you describe it?
Ah, that's a creative question.
I know.
I would say February is quiet, thoughtful, maybe a little serious.
I like that.
What about you?
I would say February is calm, but sometimes a little moody.
Moody is a good word.
Moody means having changing feelings.
That fits February perfectly.
Yes, cold one day, sunny the next.
Just like emotions.
So maybe February is not the worst month?
I'm happy to hear that.
It's not my favorite, but I see its beauty now.
Sometimes quiet months are important.
They give us time to breathe,
To rest.
to prepare for something new,
And before we know it, March arrives.
and spring begins.
Everything feels fresh again.
So maybe February is the bridge between winter and spring.
That's a beautiful way to say it.
Now, we want to hear from you.
What is February like where you live?
Is it snowy, rainy, warm?
Do you love February or do you count the days until March?
Tell us in the comments. We read every message.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Speak Simple English.
Give us a like. It helps us so much.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
Stay warm, stay cozy.
And keep practicing your English.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.